Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the great name of Allah, who is most kind and merciful. So, first of all, submit to Sir Azhar, Dr. Azhar Ali Shah, and submit by Ali Hadar Chandio and BSCS Department 2K70 LCS 10. So, artificial intelligence. This is outline. Introduction, history, current state, goal, application, advantage, and disadvantage, future scope. So, what is artificial intelligence? Design making by horns and lighted by powered machine even can able human to faces on part of their rule that add more value. So this is A1 intelligence, artificial intelligence, and made by human skill, produced by human, opposed to nature, artificial flowers. So emanation semans and some artificial vanilla flowering, blocking naturalness or expensive forces, controlled fact on artificial small, full of affection of the skills, artificial memories, artificial speech, both without regards to the particular notes of the situation, person, etc. Imposed rule for diamond link residence, biology based tool, are arbitrary supported characters rather than natural organic relationship or artificial system of class. So intelligence has been defined in many ways of the logic, understanding and knowledge, remark, planning, critical thinking, and problem solving. More the journal and I can the described as ability to process and information and to return and the knowledge to be applied towards adaptive behavior within an anomalous context. Intelligence is most often studied as human, but is also been offered in both non-human animals and in plant. Intelligence is machine is called artificial intelligence, which is commonly employed is computer system using program and sometimes especially hardware. And artificial intelligence is even a wide planning the branch of computer science concerned with building smart machine capable of perform tasks that difficulty is the human intelligence. So they typically require to human intelligence even is the science of but advancement in machine learning is the deep learning is the creating providing the symptom. Artificial intelligence, even sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligent documents by machine unique the nature intelligence display human by animal. So artificial intelligence, a1 solution of human intelligence by machine, the ability to solve problem, the ability to relationally, the ability to act like human, the ability to solve problem, goal form goal formulate, problem formulate, and entity entail state action transaction model and goal formulation. It is the first of smallest step. The problem solving is organize the steps, secure the formulate on goal out of multiple goals as well as action of achieve the goal formulation is the best of the current situation and the against performs bias discussed. Problem formation is the most important step of problem solving, which decided which action should be taken and achieve and formulated goal. There are following 5 components involved problem formulation. Intel state. It is the starting state of the Intel state of the agent toward its goal action. It is the distribution of the possible action available to agent. Transaction model. It describes what each action node's goal test is demanded if the given state is a goal state. So relationally ability, action relationally, thinking relational. This is, and this, if we are going to say that given program thinking like a human, who must have some way of dynamic of a human think, we need to get side the actually working of human modes. There are the two way to do this through thoughts of they go by through physically and experiment. Once of the have a safely prices theory of the mid-itif, because possible to express the theory is a computer program. If the program's input and output and think behavior matches human behavior, this is avoidance. This sum of the program machine SMS by also by operating is humans. So acting relational means acting to the achieve on the goal, give also behave or understanding about this word on any against the system that privacy and the enrollment in the act with the enrollment. So intelligent again is the that actuation is respect to its goal. Their basic approach to all system. Acting relationally means acting so as to achieve one goal. Giving is the belief making. Current informs is the sometime part of the being is relationally again because of the way to act relationally. It is to this logically to the conclusion that a give action will achieve on the goal of then the act and this consolation. Act like human. Acting like a human comes up primarily when all programs have to interact with people. Is when any explain system explains have to come to its dynamic or a natural language processing system has a dialogues with a user. Artifacts. My act think like human of the act think relationally is the other choice in the division because human do not always act or think relationally on a system that should act think like a human should make human like mistakes. On the other hand, all system that act thinks relationally should make the must relation of the intelligent choice. The every of with human would typically do is the same situation. So the others of the textbook decided by act relationally is the most important forming of even that describe an intelligent again a system that responds to its environment is the change its environment by acting with it in the most relational manners in order to achieve goals. So early history of artificial intelligence. In 1915, John McCarthy says the term of artificial intelligence was first introduced. So this is in 1915 English mathematician Alan Think that asked the question that machine can think. So this is John McCarthy, 1955, developed by the Bears Artificial Intelligence. 1960 first LFC implementation. 1971 Thang Award reception was received 201 professor of the computer science and Stanford universities. So John Microsoft in 1956 John Microsoft regards is the father of even organized a conference to draw the talent and apprentice of draw the talent talent and the myth of the woman of the summer intelligent from the point on because of myth is a field would be know is artificial intelligence, although even though not a hog success state together the founder in Evan and server to law the groundwork of the future of Evan research. So this is a Alan. This is a Alan thing is a was a mathematical logging tech and computer scientist and widely considered to be the father of computer science and artificial intelligence. Is we also home sciences is the time when home sciences was early after this conversation is was given a choice between chemical construction and precision. He chose chemical construction and later chose to kill himself. So the tracking test first was published was April 9, 203 step recession due August 18, 2020. The drawing test is must properly used to refer to a proposal made by planning 1950 is a way of dealing with the question whether machine can think. According to planning is question whether machine can think is the itself too many goals of the driving decision for two. However, it was concerned the more prices and sometimes the relation question whether a digital computer can do will it create a kind of game that trying to describe the game then is the lost training is eyes. We do have a question that admitted of present discussion moreover is we shall see training himself through that is word not be too long before we did have digital computer could we do well it is the ammunition game. So current state of Avon healthcare, heavy industries, finance. So solving of the variety of problem of plant, hospital and healthcare industries overall reports you because very common in many industries can't do respect task. So finance algorithm planning market analyze and data meaning personal finance protocol management. So robots are everywhere from science function to your local hospital where they are changing healthcare for the most part. The robots for starwares more than they are the human, but they are making a big impact on the field of medicine. Reports in medicine help by allowing medical personnel from routine tasks and take their time away from more processing properties and by making medical producers safe for the costly for president. They can also perform timely place and transport dangerous substance. So robotic medical stand is the monitor printer virtual statistics and alert the most when there is a need for human persons is the room allows nature to monitor several parent test is a one these robot assistant also automatically enter information into the printer electronic health record. So the global industry robotic market is the very industry report say Intex report help many companies reduce cost and many manufacturing. So outsource their production of components to low cost contracts because of low manual labor cost. However, assigning labor cost have pushed these companies to change their strategy. So, about is the development the way lots of banking is a finance companies do business through, sometimes called robot from the automation is a isolated virtual workplace based software that of human employees to face off least work deducts tax and only human do will on right of described prop the analyze there again yellow orange robots developed a care factor flower and there is changed the calculus of understanding ensuring decisions by automating labor and extent task. So evaluation get and education get election of for plan well leading campaigns or the creating robots to touch subjects. A robot our evaluation is any company their supplies under the aircraft system USA for military and common use the company is handles the evaluation is technology park technology park in the narrow with development and production faculties and various plant and in USA Impro robot evaluation is also established the is use of effect in Grand North developed and Arizona. So robot is a play an important role in the education of young people but will never fully replace teachers or studies against. So writing is science robot is scientific especially robot are the providing effect in the teaching of created narrow subjects such as now prime number but current technical limitation particular and around speech resign the ability for a social interaction means there are rule of will largely be confined to data of teaching assessment of lot is lost for foreseeable future. So goals of artificial intelligence planning nature language machine learning knowledge representer social intelligence problem solving and computation of price automotive healthcare finance economic video gaming application of A1 so application of A1 healthcare for essence doctor education for automatic grading system and automation washing for advanced future so business for something available process level industry of production for person social media for server planner and experience. So advantage the chance of error is almost nil can be used to explore space depth of the Akin smartphone or the best example of A1 it can be used to time consistent tasks effectively machine do not require sleep break and are able to function without stopping. So disadvantage of A1 high cost machine ethics no improvement with experience disgrace the demand of human labor and all my programmed to something disgusting. So future scope of artificial intelligence the future is now A1 aspect it's everything transportation affecting healthcare education media customer service the impact of A1 on security how return in your job narrow A1 impact on the workforce health helpfully of human cat the pendant possibility of artificial general intelligence robots the motives has human might use ag is the real thought A1 is going to change the world then anything is the history of mankind more than electric. So in the future, if you don't know coding, you don't know program, it only going to get more difficult. So if implement reciprocal even can benefit security, however, is the case with most earning technology, there is a real risk that chemical and state use is the dominant effect on human rights. So thank you so much.